In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to HubSpot CRM 2025 step by step. We're going to walk through the simplest path to bring your spreadsheet data into HubSpot by using the official app marketplace. This approach helps you discover trusted connectors, understand what each one does, and pick the option that best fits your workflow. You won't need to reinvent anything. Just follow along and you'll know exactly where to look and what to watch for as you set this up. First, head to the HubSpot website and sign into your CRM account. Make sure you're in the correct portal and that you have permission to use the marketplace. If you don't see the marketplace controls later on, you might need an admin to grant access. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for the marketplace icon. Click that and choose App Marketplace. This is HubSpot's central hub for integrations, and it's the safest place to evaluate tools that connect external services to your CRM. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Sheets. You'll see results related to Google services and various connectors that bridge Sheets with HubSpot. Because HubSpot doesn't offer a fully native direct two-way sync with Sheets, you'll typically rely on third-party connectors. Common options include Zapier and Make, previously known as Integromat. These platforms act as the middle layer, moving data between your spreadsheet and HubSpot based on rules you define. When reviewing the search results, open the listings that mention Google Sheets explicitly and read their descriptions carefully. Pay close attention to what objects they support in HubSpot, such as contacts or deals, whether they allow one-way or two-way data movement, and how often they sync or trigger updates. It's also smart to check for usage limits, pricing, and any feature caps, like the number of tasks, rows, or operations per month. The ratings and reviews can help you gauge reliability, and the permissions or scopes sections will tell you exactly what access the connector will request from both HubSpot and Google. After you select a connector, the provider will guide you through its own installation flow. Typically, you'll authorize HubSpot and Google securely, then choose which fields should map between your spreadsheet columns and HubSpot properties. Review those mappings closely so your data lands in the right place and stays clean. That's the full journey inside HubSpot. Sign in, open the app marketplace, search for Google Sheets, and choose a trusted connector like Zapier or Make to bridge the gap. With the right tool in place, you'll save time, reduce manual exports, and keep your CRM aligned with the